If you're a new therapist, if you just completed a program, even a Reiki program, if you've gotten Reiki certified, and now you have to take your work out into the world, well, how do you get your business going? I have a business course. It's called Out of the Box Success. It is laid out so systematically, and you don't have to go ahead and rush through it. You can just complete one section. What is my mission statement? So it's like from your mission statement through to your business plan and all your marketing strategies in between. It is created and designed in such a simple format that you can go ahead and do it. It's not overwhelming. I know as a body worker because, hey, I started my practice as a polarity practitioner. I watched people who were literally just, they are body workers. They don't want to be doing anything else. All they want is, to go back, we go back a couple hundred years, and you just did your healing work in a temple, and the clients were just being brought to you. That's not the way it works today. So today we actually have to let our clients know this is what we're doing and call them to us so that they can see you. But we all need a structure to be able to do that. And the way that things have changed today is everything is a lot of social media. So you want to find, how do I get to these people? And my Out of the Box Success actually teaches you step by step in a very simple format how to do that. I'd like to invite you to check that course out. You can go online into my school, and I've created what's called the open house. So you can actually come, you can learn a little bit about me and my teaching lessons from each of my courses that you can experience so that you can see just how simple the format is. And you can learn something about everything if you choose while you're there. So go ahead and click the link below and get yourself on there to at least check it out. Okay? Even if you just learned a little bit and you can apply it today. So many blessings. I look forward to seeing you in the school. All right? Life is a journey and we are learning constantly.